Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking the scan quality and selecting tools. Make sure the PDF is at least 300 dpi so OCR can read text reliably. Once done, open your OCR-capable app or web service and import the PDF. This begins the conversion pipeline. You choose whether to process pages individually or in batch depending on file size and complexity. This first step sets recognition accuracy, so pick an engine that supports your language and layout before moving to recognition settings. You now configure OCR parameters to maximize fidelity. Select the document language and enable multi-column or layout detection. This preserves columns and tables. Then run recognition and inspect detected zones, convert images separately and mark tables so they export as editable tables in Word. Make manual corrections in the preview. Fix misread characters, merge split words, and confirm headings. Once satisfied, choose DocX Export and enable Retain Formatting or Smart Flow, so the converted word mirrors the original layout. You finish by exporting the OCR result to Word and saving a copy. Open the DocX and methodically proofread. Check fonts, paragraph breaks, bullet lists, headers, footers, and table alignment. Fix local issues with Word's Find and Replace and Table tools. If the document contains heavy formatting or many errors, consider rerunning OCR with adjusted settings or rescanning pages at higher DPI. If problems persist, use a specialist layout tool or manually rebuild complex pages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.